Let's get him out of here, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to put that back in there using those little hooks. So I've got it anchored up here just on one of my regular stake anchors. Guys, we're just going to set this thing back. And take the safeties off. And set it right there in front of that opening on that culvert, guys. And this brings my springs right down here close to the side of that culvert. I can come right underneath that spring eye, shove that stake in there, and that hook's gonna grab the top of that spring. Same thing on this side, guys. We're gonna come right over here, push that hook down in there, a little stake. It's gonna grab that back side of that and hold it up against that bank firm. So yeah, those work well. If you're looking for some way to secure those traps in a situation like this, guys, check into those little hooks or make you some. I've got some made out of rebar. I've got these made out of those hay rake tines. All right, guys, we got another crossover here I'm gonna set in. I thought I'd show you guys just another real quick use of them little spikes to hold these traps in place. All right, guys, so I got this 330 set right here. I'm just gonna set this 330 right there in that trail where I want it. It's gonna come in here and I'm gonna put that hook on that side. And guys, I went on the inside of that spring there. So on this side over here, I'm gonna come over here and go on the outside, so that secures that trap in there, guys. It's not going anywhere.